Waste is a huge problem, yet controversial to tackle due to issues regarding safety and sterilisation. Johnson & Johnson's medical devices division contributes largely to the emissions from the indirect use of sold goods and end-of-life treatment of sold products. To combat this, we propose a collaboration with hospitals to establish waste management policies. Packaging strategies should be adjusted to limit plastic use without compromising product stability or performance. Investment into research on the effectiveness and safety of reusable devices versus single-use devices, as well as into medical waste recycling, ought to be done. This would all be in line with Johnson & Johnson's commitment to reduce reliance on the single-use model and ensuring that 100% of packaging be reusable, recyclable or compostable by 2025.
J&J's consumer health products rely on plastic packaging which usually ends up in landfills. Our aim is to decrease the level of plastic used and reach 100% recyclability of consumer product packaging without decreasing the amount of the actual product used by our consumers. We propose a refilling initiative, investment in biodegradable and recyclable packaging, and investment in the menstrual cup and organic feminine hygiene products, while decreasing the production of traditional tampons. J&J's current goal is to increase the recyclability of consumer product packaging to over 90%.
Many developing countries do not have the infrastructure to recycle pharmaceutical products. To fully close the material loop, J&J must promote recycling practices and provide the technology to do so. We propose increasing partnerships to strengthen the infrastructure for recycling and transparency regarding those. Increase investment into the research of developing an effective process to recycle pharmaceutical waste products from blister packs more cheaply is also needed.
Contact lenses contribute 0.5% of the total environmental waste in the United Kingdom. Johnson & Johnson launched the UK's first free nationwide recycling programme for all contact lenses with over 1,000 free recycling sites for all lenses regardless of the brand. We propose that Johnson & Johnson start an international collaboration to spread this successful initiative to countries where recycling of lenses is still not possible.
Despite J&J's procurement programme, their supply chain is still the single biggest contributor to their greenhouse gas emissions. A detailed re-evaluation of the supply chain would make it more environmentally sustainable while ensuring its operational and profitable functionality. In terms of raw materials, we propose adoption of the life cycle approach, prioritisation of local or more sustainable suppliers, and imposing more control on the existing suppliers. In terms of distribution and transportation, we propose creation of a detailed map to track impact and risk and optimise transportation routes using technology. We suggest engagement with the most transparent and sustainable logistic companies. Finally, J&J could implement passive shipping systems when possible.
J&J's employee safety and diversity metrics require improvements. We propose more focus on ethnic diversity in the recruitment process, as well as the creation of outreach programmes to attract a range of candidates from a variety of environments. We suggest optimisation of the current summit system to focus on empowering minorities to apply for more senior positions. Finally, we advocate for an employee safety initiative and imposing a goal to achieve 100% of manufacturing sites safe and certified by OHSAS.
J&J has a responsibility to uphold its reputation as a sustainable company committed to people and the planet. The rapid global spread of coronavirus has led to upscale production of surgical masks and an increase in waste. J&J should work on a three-pillar foundation: distribution, conscientious recycling, and education. Distribution of masks and sanitisers fulfills their duty to those affected. Investing resources into non-incineration management practices would enable them to both limit pathogen and pollutant release, as well as recycle and reuse masks. A more sustainable infection control system. Lastly, education on the importance of responsible medical waste disposal would ensure longevity of the sustainable mission and subsequent self-sufficiency for future disease outbreaks.